All right, so since we've covered all of the congruency theorems, so side, angle, side, 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 angle, side, angle, hypotenuse, leg, what we're going to now do is look at triangles and actually put marks on them or in places that would satisfy the given theorem saying that they're congruent. So what I mean by that, number 11 says that these two triangles are congruent by angle, side, angle. If I look, I already have an angle marked. Because they're touching, I know that that's there. So I have an angle, I have a side. Now I just need another angle, right? But this side must be in between the two known angles. So marking that angle right there will trap this side in between two angles that are congruent. For side, angle, side, again, these are touching, so I have to mark that. So now I have a side that's congruent. I have two right angles. Now I need another side that traps the known angle. So WV and XK. Again, remember when you make these marks, mark them different amounts. If the sides do not correlate or correspond with one another, because you don't want to assume that they are congruent. 13, again, side, angle, side. They give us a side, they give us a side, they give us an angle, they give us an angle. So the side I mark, I have two options. I have the hypotenuse, or I have the other leg. So of these, I have to trap this angle in between two known sides. So it's going to be the other leg, and then just put the same amount of marks on it. Angle, side, angle. These triangles aren't touching. I have an angle. I have my other angle down here that's already marked for me. I need to mark the correct side, and remember this side is in between the two known angles. So it's going to be DE and KJ. Hypotenuse leg is what HL stands for. So I have to know the hypotenuse, which I don't know, right? The reason I know I don't know it is because when I draw a diagonal through my right angle symbols, it points to the hypotenuse always. So it doesn't matter how the triangle is turned or twisted, that's how you identify the hypotenuse. Well, we have a leg marked in both of them, so I already have this. So I need to mark this hypotenuse. If you don't know where the hypotenuse is, you wouldn't be able to get this question right. So for classwork, what I want you to do is mark the missing side, angle, or whatever is needed to prove hypotenuse leg.